Hey guys, it's Miss Giba. I hope you're having an awesome day so far. So today for reading, we're going to be focusing again on retelling. So after we read a story, we know that the best way to really understand that story is to go back and to retell the important parts of that story or all of the major events. So retelling is when you think back to what you read, you think back to the important parts or events of the story. And some readers, good readers, like to talk across their hands. This is a really good strategy to help you organize your retelling. So each finger is another detail or event from the story. So you have 5 fingers. That means you're going to be retelling 5 major events or details that happened in the story. So this is going to be your detail 1, your detail 2, your 3rd detail, your 4th detail, and your 5th detail. So if we were to look at Goldilocks and the Three Bears, I'm going to do something like this. The bears' porridge was hot, so they went for a walk. That's my first detail, my first major event. Then Goldilocks went into the house and ate the baby's porridge. Now I have 2 details. I'm retelling what's happening in the order that it happened, in the order that I read it. Then she went into the family room and broke a chair. That's the 3rd event. She fell asleep in the baby's bed. And then last, when the bears came home, they woke her up and she ran away. So those were just 5 events that happened in Goldilocks and the Three Bears. I didn't have to tell everything that happened in Goldilocks and the Three Bears. I just needed 5 important parts. I only have 5 fingers. I don't have 25 fingers. I cannot tell the whole story. The retelling is just the important parts or what you thought was important about the story. So what you guys are going to do today is read Tough Break. Story about Duke and the skateboard and his mom. Such a good read. And you guys are going to be focusing on retelling the story across your hand because you have read this book 4 times now. You know what happens in the story. You're getting really good at getting through those words, getting through those sentences, really knowing what's coming next. And so to fully understand and remember what happened in Tough Break, we're going to retell the story across our hand. And you're going to give me 5 major events or details that happened in the story. So as you move through your fingers, I want you to be thinking, what happened first or in the beginning? What happened after that or in the middle? And then what happened last or in the end? And I've included this little sheet. I think it would be really fun if maybe you guys took a sheet of paper and you could even trace your hand. And so the hand looks just like you, and then you could add your details on top. You don't have to, but you can totally use this if you want, just to make it a little bit easier. And we're going to be just thinking about the important parts of Tough Break. The beginning, the middle, and the end. So I know you guys are going to do awesome with this because you've read this book so many times now and you know exactly what happens. So I can't wait to see how you do with it, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Get to play outside. It's been such good weather. It's finally cooling down, and I will see you guys tomorrow.